Critically low battery warning. Oh my god. So I've crossed the Mtentu River because I was taking shots of the Mtentu Lodge with the drone. Boy, hopefully I find it. I don't know why it didn't have enough battery to get back. It said, okay, turning around, battery's too low, and then I'm like, nah, I'm landing. Whoa, thank God it didn't land in this water. Have a look here. That's where I came from. I might have to use technology, find my drone, but I don't know if it's got no power, if it can be found. Oh boy. Now I'm getting a little worried, but it must be on this path. Maybe it's just further than I thought. This is a walking path. No cars come down here. This is in Cambodia. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yeah, baby. I love my droney. Hello. Hello, my baby. Okay. Oh boy. What a relief. Come on, drone. Oh, look, it landed beautifully. I had to find that landing spot. I didn't want to land in a tree or something. I'd like, whoa, it was very exciting. Terrifying. I'll show you the footage. Woo, got my drone. Oh, this thing is so much drama. Oh, but check, I mean, in a good spot here. Look at this. Woo. One of my favorite views there. I've shot it a few times. So now I don't know if you can see him, but there's somebody there by my canoe now. Let's see, maybe I'm in trouble for borrowing that canoe. Maybe he wants the ferry fee. Let's see. Maybe he just wants to go across that side. I don't know. Yeah, boy. Hey, how are you? I know you. Hey?
I think it's a fisherman. This one takes their canoes.
Oh, no. What's your name again? Anati. How are you, Anati? Like it, man. Did you come check up on me?
No, I think maybe the fisherman take this canoe at this side.
Oh, I see, yeah. No, I had an emergency, eh? I had to come and fetch my drone. It landed here. Boom. I was filming the lodge. And then I thought, no, I must go get it now before the rain, I don't know, until an animal eats it. How you, Nati? You all right?
I'm fine.
Oh, like it, man. Say hello to the people.
Hello.
So Nati thought that maybe a fisherman had taken the canoe and left it on this side. I'm glad I saw him before they took the canoe back. I'd have to swim across. I was planning maybe I'd have to swim across. That's why I brought the waterproof bag. Yeah, it's good to have the waterproof bag so everything's safe in the canoe. Okay, I'm going to paddle back now. Got the drone back. It's breakfast time. Sitting here. Look at that fucking wild coast. Look at that wild coast.